India is set to significantly upgrade its border monitoring and defense capabilities with scheduled launch of RISAT-1B radar imaging satellite on May 18. It is equipped with cutting-edge C-band synthetic aperture radar, allowing it to capture high-resolution images of Earth's surface regardless of weather or lighting conditions. Ukraine's main intelligence directorate has revealed use of specialized unmanned naval drone carriers for strike missions in Black Sea, including attacks on targets in Russian-occupied Crimea. These drone carriers were seen equipped with Starlink satellite terminals, enabling extended-range operations and persistent connectivity across the Black Sea battlespace. India reportedly used BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles to strike targets deep inside Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. The strikes aimed to dismantle terrorist infrastructure while avoiding civilian, economic or core military facilities. The Royal Air Force has conducted test launches of FPV drones from Chinook transport helicopter. The tests were carried out as part of Hornet's Nest program, which involves launching FPV drones from platforms and exploring the potential use of helicopters as platforms for their mass deployment.